Hello and welcome to another weekly video from Magnetic Trading. My name is Cameron Malik, and this week we're going to be having a look at a trade that we took on the DAX last week via our advisor program, where we deliver simple and easy to understand trades directly to your phone. Now, over the last few weeks we've been talking about the Go Zone trading assistant. I'm going to show you this week how you can use that assistant along with our advisor reports to profit from the markets. So let's go over to the charts now. Okay, so we're looking at a chart of the German market, the DAX, and on Thursday I put an alert out to buy the DAX at 14,851. That was just shortly after the open of the market and was valid for the first hour. What we can see is the market opened just right over here. Market's moved down, it's come into that 14,851 level. We've bought into the market. Stop on this alert was 100 points, and we were initially targeting 100 points of profit as well. So these alerts for advisor come directly to your phone. They are ahead of time and give you enough chance to get into the market and execute the trade. We had the market went through the level a little bit, stabilized, and when we see action like this, we want to get our stops below these levels and get the trade into a risk-free position. So I updated once we got into 30 points of profit that we took half, enabling us to be into a risk-free trade and run the trade up into the afternoon. So later on we took another 25% of the trade with an alert at the 14,965 level, and just ahead of the open of the US around here we took the trade off. So a really nice trade in the DAX on Thursday. All simple and easy to understand alerts. So we've been commenting about the Go Zone for the last few weeks, and I want to show you an example of how you can use the Go Zone Trading Assistant along with the advisor reports to get more trades and more profits out of the advice we're giving you day to day. So on the report I said that the market with the DAX is positive above the 15,200 levels with expected moves up to the 15,400 levels. So on a 5-minute chart here we can see just shortly after the open here, market came down. So you put in a sell signal. We wouldn't want to use that with the Go Zone because it's above one of our positive levels. So we would have saved getting into a losing trade here. But what we are looking for, that the Go Zone is a trading assistant. It wants to assist us with what we already know about the market, that the market's potentially moving higher. So we want to get that signal, which came in here. You could buy the market. You could either put your stops below here, or preferably, as we've already identified, the market's positive above or negative below 15,200. Get your stops below there and ride the trade all of the way up to those 15,400 levels, which was all identified by the Go Zone. And what we can see is the Go Zone came out over here, just came out of the Go Zone just below the 400 levels. So also, if we move back to the trade that we gave on advisor, if you'd had the Go Zone, you can run your profits further, as we did with our pro trader clients. You can see here that we came out roughly around here ahead of the US Open, because we want to keep our advisor clients really nice and safe in the markets. But there was more profits to be able to take, and if you followed the Go Zone, you could have followed it all the way up to the 15,200 levels, getting even more out of the trades that we are already giving you. But most importantly, Magnetic clients are making real money in the market by using advisor and the Go Zone. George making 1% on the Thursday trade. Also, Shane making a 1%. Bill making a whopping 4.7% on the Thursday DAX buy, which was via advisor, and then getting a further 1% by using the Go Zone and the advisor report on Friday. Greg making $1,300 over the 2 days using the reports for the DAX, and Derek having a wonderful week, up over $5,000 on the week.
If you want to find out more about the Magnetic Advisor program or the Go Zone Trading Assistant, click on the links below. And if you enjoyed this video, please join us again next week.